How long has it been since you've been in a school library? They're different places than what we remember. Our librarians are more than just people that put books on a shelf. They're teachers. They're resources for our teachers and our students. Libraries have become media centers, places where students go to learn and teachers go to gather resources for their classrooms and to help students grow in their learning.
Libraries are crucial to student success. I think without libraries, we wouldn't have access to information, and without access to information, we don't have the free thinking that our students are able to do, where they can make decisions on their own because of input that they were able to get from all different kinds of sources.
A library is a place where I feel that kids can be themselves. Sometimes they have a lesson that they need to go through with me, whether it's a skill in the library or a reading technique like previewing a book or how to do that. Sometimes we have makerspace activities. Doing something physical is nice, it's different. It's still stimulating the brain, but in a different way. And I feel like, sometimes we have kids that do better physically, manipulating things. And so this is an opportunity just to try something different, an opportunity for those kids to take the spotlight, an opportunity to think outside the box. And I just think that's why it's important.
So a lot of the future-ready skills, collaborate, embrace challenges. We try to create games with each of those in mind. And embrace challenges is a big one for the library. We try to create activities where students come up against obstacles and they have to really pivot and learn to tackle those challenges in different ways. I think this is the heart of the school. We nicknamed this room the Hub of Wisdom not because of what the room can provide. The room can provide opportunities and access to wisdom and to information, but also to what the students can do when they're in here. They're the wisdom, they just don't know it, and they're able to unlock it once they're in here.